How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. This tutorial shows you how to fix missing sound and get voice guidance working again on your Android device. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then tap Settings. From there, tap Navigation to open the navigation settings. Right at the top, you'll see a Sound and Voice section. This is usually where the issue is. Check the mute state, and if it's set to muted, that's the reason your voice navigation isn't working. Switch it to either alerts only if you only want turn warnings, or unmuted for full voice guidance, depending on your preference. After that, set the guidance volume to softer, normal, or louder based on what works best for you. From here, make sure Play Audio Cues is also turned on. This ensures Google Maps plays sound prompts like speed limit alerts and lane guidance alongside the voice directions. Once everything is set, tap Play Test Sound to confirm the audio is coming through correctly before you head out. And that's it. If this guide helped you get voice navigation working again in Google Maps, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.